for the smoked salmon with asparagus pasta. So if you pre-cook your pasta and then stir in the pasta sauce and put it into a oven-proof dish. You chop the onions really small and fry them in the pan. If you chop up your asparagus, then you can add this in the pan with the onions for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, if you grate your cheese, and then what you're going to do is chop up all of your salmon into flakes and take the skin off. Then we're just going to sprinkle some of the chilli powder over the top. Then some crushed chilli flakes. And then some smoked paprika. Then you sprinkle your asparagus and your fried onions just over the top of the pasta. Then we're going to put the flakes of salmon onto the top of the pasta and then put the cheese on top, like this. And then just try and make sure you cover all the ingredients with a sprinkle of cheese on the top, like this. And then we're going to bake in the oven till all the cheese is melted on top, probably about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is the finished pasta. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.